Hello, hi everyone, this is Shrija. Welcome to Skin Real, where I talk all things skincare. So if you like skincare related content, then make sure that you subscribe. Likewise, you can also follow me on Instagram, where I post more regularly. So today's video is about Biotique. It's a very famous Indian Ayurvedic brand, and I have been getting a lot of requests from you guys to review this brand. Like seriously, every other day I get a DM on Instagram wherein someone is asking me to share my thoughts and opinion on Biotique products. And I have refrained so much from making this video because, to tell you the truth, I am not a huge fan of this brand, and I really don't recommend using their products or supporting this brand. And it's not like I have never tried their products. You know, when I was a kid, I have used their sunscreens, thankfully on my body, never on my face. I have used their Flawless Morning Nectar Lotion and the face wash, and it was like a decent, affordable product at that point of time. But now, with so many better alternatives available in the market, I cannot support this brand. And there are a lot of reasons for the same. Of course, I'm going to discuss them in detail in this video. But before getting into the video, let me clarify one thing. I'm not being paid to make these videos. I am not some brand that is, trying to defame other brand. I have no profit in making this video whatsoever. The only reason I'm doing this video is because I want to create awareness. I want you guys to make an informed choice about your skincare products, and that's the only reason I am going to rant about Biotique today. So starting with my number one problem with Biotique, they focus heavily on fairness. I mean, so much as to fairness is listed as one of the skin concerns on the official website of Biotique, and most of their products are labeled as brightening and whitening, which makes no sense to me. Guys, we live in 2021. When are we going to get rid of this fair and lovely mentality? I think this is such an unfair and unlovely concept. And if you're someone who really believes in this, then I think you will never be happy or satisfied with your own skin. Skin complexion is something that you're born with, and every damn skin color is beautiful. I don't know who started associating fairness as to being beautiful and dusky skin to not being pretty. I just don't get it. I believe all skin colors are unique and they are beautiful in their own way. So please stop trying to change your complexion, and honestly stop trying to support these brands who are doing this. Like, the only reason that these brands like Biotique still exist in India because they have such a huge support base. Even after this video, a lot of you guys are still gonna buy products from them. But it's a small request, if you can switch, please switch, because our ignorance is the reason that these brands are not taking any accountability and they are still continuing fairness products. So yes, if you find a better alternative to Biotique products, I highly recommend that you switch to some other brand. Number two reason as to why I really don't like this brand, and that is they have sunscreens without UV filters. I really don't understand how it is possible to formulate sunscreen without UV filters. Either they are just not revealing the whole ingredient list because they just don't want to sway from this whole philosophy of natural Ayurvedic brand, but I'm telling you, it is impossible for you to formulate sunscreens without UV filters. These oils are not enough to protect you from sun, and yes, having antioxidants in sunscreen acts as an added boost to the entire formula, but in the presence of UV filters. No sunscreen can protect you from UV rays if there are no UV filters. I mean, is that product even a sunscreen if there are no UV filters in it? I have done so much research on these sunscreens, and honestly, there are only very few Biotique sunscreens that has certain amount of zinc oxide or Yashva Bhasma, that's what they call it. But that is also a whole different story. It is a very expensive ingredient, and honestly, it is very difficult to procure pure bhasma and then formulate sunscreens with it. I got this information from an Ayurvedic doctor who is my client, so I'm just not saying anything, just to prove my point. She actually formulates her own bhasma, and she told me that these sunscreens who are claiming to have bhasma in them and with SPF 75 or something, it's really, I don't know how they're doing it. So be extremely careful of these claims. They are highly misleading. Sunscreen is not something you should play with, and if you're using Biotique sunscreens, I highly recommend that you throw them right now and switch to something better. There are so many better options available. I have also done a separate video on sunscreens. I also have a post on my Instagram. It's called Sunscreen Under 2000 in the Indian market. Please switch to that. Sun protection is something you should really not play with. You should start taking sun protection seriously, and if you're using Biotique sunscreens, then please throw them out and switch to better alternatives. The third problem that I have with this brand is that on their website they claim that their products are meant to eliminate skincare problems. I mean, how do you do that? I get it. Like, you know, if you have acne prone skin and you're using certain products that are going to help you with your acne, but still you're going to break out. Like, I'm using retinoid, which is the gold standard for acne, but still I break out here and there. There is no ingredient that is going to completely eliminate my skincare problems. How do you eliminate skincare problems like melasma? Like, there are treatments, like, you know, these skincare issues are treatable, but you need to understand that you have to maintain your condition by taking regular treatments and by taking certain precautions. No skin care condition can completely be eliminated by just product. This claim again is highly misleading, and there's this whole philosophy on natural products and that are sourced from Himalayas, and this entire fear mongering around chemicals is so irritating. This is one brand that I do not recommend at all. I have personally used their products in the past. If you're using the sunscreen, please toss it away and get a better formula for yourself. However, if you're using the face wash from some other product that you really like, continue doing so. But in my opinion, I can never recommend or support a brand that still promotes whitening and lightening creams in 2021. So these were my thoughts on Biotique. Let me know if there is any other brand that you want me to talk about, and I will be more than happy to share my thoughts on the same. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys learned something new. I hope I was able to spread a little bit of awareness regarding Biotique. And if I did and you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so. I'll see you next time. Bye.